Hello everyone, I'm Yoj and I will be doing an unboxing video for my first Japan haul for the month of February. I should be doing one before this because I ordered my Redmer Japan goods online way before, but then there was a problem with my Korean credit card and I had to use my parents' credit card to pay for the shipment. But yeah, so I didn't actually go to Japan, but my friend did for Redmer Yokohama, and I asked her to buy me the ReVeluv-Baby set, exclusive set, and adorable candies slogan set, one WNC's slogan set, and Senkei's slogan set. Right. So, and aside from that, because online you can only buy one group card and you can choose the member, and it's also not random, so I asked my friend to buy me Sappy cards, and I already know which members I got because I also asked her to trade for me, but there are only 9 of this here. I actually bought 10, but she gave me an extra Wendy instead of Joy, so she's gonna be replacing it when we meet next time. Let's do this first. I was thinking this was like bigger than it actually looked in real life, and like I didn't actually want the sticker, but then I bought everyone's version anyway, so joke's on me. And if you're curious why I also have this group version after buying it online, the group version online and what was sold on the concert day are different versions. I'm gonna be showing you a picture later. But yeah, there are 2 group versions, one online and one on site. Yeah, I already completed it. These are extras. I had an extra Irene, 2 Irenes, and Wendy and Joy. So let's move on to the slogans. I was actually supposed to buy the blue one. I did a poll on Twitter. The blue one won, but this yellow one is so cute. I just can't resist it. I was also planning to buy the Joy cute version, but then the sexy version won on the poll, so I just bought that. Seulgi. I like how the Sensible K put bears on that and the bear paw over here. See, it's so cute, right? Imagine if I bought the blue one. I'm just gonna die every day. The sticker. Oh, the film set is also transparent now. And this hologram cards. Oh, I was there. I was also there. I also have this hat. I bought it at Disneyland when I went for their Red Room concert in Tokyo. For Joy's WNC slogan set. The cute version is the one where she has the bunny hat I gave her. It was the same day as well, so I'm sure it was mine. I really wanted that since it was the gift I gave her. but this was so sexy. You just can't resist it. Oh, they actually have the same, almost the same freebies. Same set of freebies. Transparent film set. Oh, it's the same one I gave, but this is from a different day. I was also at that fan sign. Oh, you can use this on your mandubong. Oh, it was this one. I gave this. I gave this to her. That one. That was the day I went to the Caribbean Bay fan sign and gave all of them that hat, but Wenrin did not wear theirs, so I hate them. Oh, and it's Hetnim. Oh, she's so cute. Actually, I was only so sure on buying Yeri's. I was actually planning to buy Adorable Candies and Parbatnir's, but then Parbatnir's slogan was already sold out when my friend went to the venue, so she only got me Adorable Candies. But it's okay. I only wanted more Yeri slogans because there are not a lot of Yeri fan sites, and I want to have like a lot of her goods, like just to balance everything, like because there are a lot of Wendy, Seulgi, Joy, and Irene fan sites, and I buy all of their goods. But then there's just 2 active Yeri fan sites now, and they don't release a lot of goods, so I don't have a lot of her cards and fan site goods, so I wanted to buy a lot, as much as I can. Oh, hers is kind of different than the other two. We should give this. Why is it not focusing? Okay. Oh, wait. I think it's the same cards as the one she gave for the season's greetings. Yeah, I think so. Wait, let me check. This is my Fansite card binder. Yeah, it is. It is. It's the same cards. Wow, I got scammed. Wow, I got scammed. I think I also have this same fan too. So I only got the slogan. The only one that's new there is the slogan. Oh my god, I got scammed. Wow. So this is the ReVeluv-Baby exclusive set. I had to ask my friend to buy this for me during the concert day because they only allowed me to buy 1 set and 1 book online, and I also have to buy for my friends. So yeah, I'm just gonna give them the ones I ordered online and have this for myself. The front of this is actually pretty useless because the back of the card is just plain. See? Well, it's better than like making us pay for the membership, right? Notice they gave us this membership card, like just once. I hope they don't do the yearly membership for Japan, because it's really expensive, and of course it's gonna be really hard for international fans to purchase, like to avail those, since it's exclusive for Japan fans and you have to have a Japan address. Oh wow, it does not fit. Wow. 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 Wow, this is so stupid. So if you buy the set, you get this pin, but there's also a choice online, like you can only buy this and this separately, but if you buy the set, you get the pin. So it's like a freebie or something. It's useless anyway. I won't be using this. But oh wow, it's felt. It's good. It's pretty. But I'm not still using it. Wow. Oh wow, she's so pretty. Oh, she's blood type A. I actually don't know what blood type I am. My dad said when I was young, my teachers asked me, what blood type do you have? And I was like, I don't know, let me ask my dad. So the next day, my dad, when I went home, I asked my dad, what's my blood type? And he was like, AB normal. So the next day, I went to school and I told them I already know what my blood type is, and they were like, oh, what's your blood type? And I said AB normal, and everyone was laughing so much. My dad is so stupid, I hate him. Or if you did not get the joke, it means abnormal. Wow. Mommy. Yeah, that's my sister. Hi. And my daughter. She's so cute. Oh my god. I miss them so much. I hope they come back soon, but not soon. Like in April maybe. Oh wow. This is the 6th question part, but I don't understand anything. I think my friend already translated this. Oh, wow, it's so fierce, so pretty. I miss ReVeluv. ReVeluv is the best concert ever. Wow, this one's in Seulgi. This is so pretty. When someone posted on Twitter, I was so confused. Where is this from? I don't know where this is from. And everyone was like, oh, it's from the official Red Velvet book. Oh, okay. And I'm so happy that I got this. Wow, she's so pretty. Oh my god, mommy. Yeah, I went so. Yep, and that's the last page. Yep. So that concludes my first unboxing commentary video, and I hope you enjoyed it and my voice did not bore you out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.